Unlock the power of automation by connecting your Twilio communications directly to N8n workflows. First, let's get your Twilio account ready. Log in to your Twilio console and navigate to the messaging section here. You'll find the primary settings for handling incoming messages and calls. We're looking to configure a webhook that triggers when a new SMS message arrives. Find the setting that says, "A message comes in." This is where we'll tell Twilio where to send the message data. Now, switch over to your N8n instance, create a new workflow, and add a Webhook node. This node is the gateway for incoming data from Twilio, ready to kickstart your automation. Click on the Webhook node in N8 and you'll see a unique Webhook URL generated for this specific node. Copy this URL. This is the address Twilio will use to send information. Head back to your Twilio console and paste that copied N8n Webhook URL into the Webhook URL field under a message comes in. Ensure the HTTP method is set to post, which is the default and what N8n expects. Save your changes in Twilio. You'll likely see a confirmation or a green checkmark, indicating the webhook is updated now. Twilio will send details of every incoming SMS to your N8n workflow. With this connection established, any data Twilio receives phone numbers, message content, and even call events if you configure those webhooks similarly will be available in N8, and you can then build powerful workflows to process this data. Imagine automatically saving new contacts, sending personalized replies, or triggering notifications in your other applications based on what your customers say, or do. This Twilio and N8n integration makes it remarkably simple. Start building your automated communication empire today by connecting Twilio webhooks to N8n and experience seamless, intelligent workflows.